Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show some issues that I was having with my NC files for this folded plate that I have here. So basically what was happening when I produced the drawing of this plate, this is what I was getting. So basically the lines, the folding lines were sort of not like correct, they were not displaying correct. My NC, when I produced my NC files, there was no continuity between the folding line and the profile of my plate. So basically what was happening, if I go here and just display the sun unfold plate, we look at from the top, you can see that there is some clashes, some overlaps here on this area, and also here on this area, and of course like here. So basically that's why when I produce my single part drawing and my NC files, I was getting those gaps there. So one thing that I wasn't doing that is very important is you need to really check, like when you modeling, everything is like possible. However, when you fabricating, you need to check that this plate is possible to make. So for this, what you have to do is just select the plate and then go to here, check unfolding. So if you click there and then on the plate, it says selected folded plate cannot be correctly unfolded. So if and it asks me if I want to see the unfolded representation. So if I say yes, just going to wireframe, it shows me that I got some problems, like clashes, overlapping here. I'm not sure why it's not showing here, but before it was showing like on these areas as well. So I had to do a bit more work on this plate for it to work. So I'm gonna show you what I did. So basically, if we go back to conceptual, right, we definitely have to put some relief here, like either like a hole or something here, so we don't have that overlap. So in this second model, if you see, I created some holes that I will then cover, like in the actual model we will cover with some frames, like steel frames, that will also serve as a reinforcement. And then I just use the planes. So we have many angles here, as you can see. We have some twisted plates here. So basically I located my UCS like with 3 points to square up with each of these panels here, and then created like a, you see, in these 2 panels just like a circular relief, and in these other 2 panels, if we hide here this and this, hide objects, well, it's not displaying, but I just put a chamfer on these 2 panels, so that way I create that space for the cut, like for the cutting machine to go through, like in between the panels. So if I unfold this, you see, if I just go to top view, you see how we don't have that clash anymore, so the machine can access this area no problem. This one is a little bit too tight still. We can even open this a little bit. The problem here is compromising the design But well, you can either, like in this case, in this scenario, we could either just create with these two panels, like do one panel with these two, and then like a folded plate of just these two parts. But the client was requesting to have like everything in one plate. So that's what we could achieve. Like we definitely have to have this relief here. Um, and that's how like I did those profiles. So now if I select this here and I go to check unfolding, it says select folded plate can be correctly unfolded. If I want to display the unfolded, see how the pink line show like the actual profile, and the the green line shows the profile, and then the pink lines my folding line. So if I look at the drawing now, very different to what we were having here, where it was really not a good representation of what we need. So now we clearly see the path of the machine and all the folding lines. Okay, thank you.